you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Man, what you got up in there this time, man? You got something there? I'll check it out. What's going on, bro?
What's going on now?
What you got running there this time?
I got them ZV6s in here this time, man.
Oh, yeah.
They're still breaking them in right now.
Had a hard time loading them in there, didn't you?
Nah, you already know.
You had to go through the front right here too, didn't you?
Yeah, I had to climb all the way in, put the lights in all the way at the back, everything, man. So you already know, look at that little point and look at me.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna say, how you put, who you had to do that?
I had to put it out, man. Put some baby oil or something.
Yeah.
Had to make it work, man.
I'll tell you, gotta go on.
Yes, sir. All right, let me give you a little something, man. Give you a couple songs.
All right, man.
Play a little long one.
Oh, yeah, I will.
Yeah, my bitch. I'm straight out the trap. Everybody eat. Damn, I feel like me. Counting paper, that's my money dance. I'm straight out the trap. Checked up on that
stuff like that.
I got no power right now.
Okay.
That's the only way they stay in the 15s, man.
I was like, you staying up there pretty good.
Yup, I'm barely giving them power right now. You know, I'm still in break-in.
Yeah.
It's my second, well, really full week of playing them.
Trying to play them a little bit every day.
Yeah, I ain't really trying to do no high hurts or nothing. Trying to play them lows. I'm gonna go to the 30. That was just 20s right there. I'll play some in the 30s now. Well, 20 to 30.
This season been so slow, man. There ain't been much going on, man.
I already know. You see, this 29-38. This pretty sound better.
I put it in the boy, cause she said she gon' deep cause OT I be like, that's me, ho. She shaking that boot. Take her back to the crib, she I don't even know demons, cause bitch I'm the devil. Yeah, bitch I'm good.
But they ain't heating up like last time though.
Man, that's what I like about it. I can play them longer without them heating up.
I mean, that's the key right now though. Yeah.
When I play like the 30s and 40s, they'll heat them up more than the 20s, of course.
Yeah, the higher you go. Yeah, man.
I like them though, man.
You built who built everything? You did.
Josh built the box, and he put them SB3s in. Yeah, but I did everything else, the amp rack and all that stuff myself.
How many JP amps you run by there?
2 JP83s at 0.5 each.
Oh yeah.
So,
yeah.
Let you look at those. You want those on?
Yeah, you got another. Yeah, go ahead.
Let's see what I can play now. I just download all that stuff, man. I'm trying to see.
I'm 15, right?
Yep. This right here sound pretty good. Go old school, man.
Yeah, that's it.
But you know, that 14 though, every time I get to 14, that when I smell them on the MP3. 15s, I'm good. I play all day.
So you gotta find a way to keep it up high.
Yeah. But when I play 20s all day, I don't smell nothing. This is my first time smelling them.
Y'all say that's not that horn warmed up just a little bit.
Yeah, let me see. Let you see what they is, man. That part's at that glue. This is my first time smelling the glue on them.
Oh yeah, you definitely better than what you used to be. Yep. It was last time.
SB3s, I got them jokers up to 186.
Barely playing.
Yup. They couldn't hold the power that good, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna let you check it out, man.
Still looking good, like that. Still looking great.
I really want to do all this over and put a beauty panel around it, and when I get another one of those, I'm gonna have to rearrange everything.
Yeah.
They look just sunlight on them.
They look just like when you first got them.
Yep.
They don't look a day old. Let them know they can find you on social media.
BASSHEAD_nano1 on TikTok, pretty much everything.
You on YouTube too still, ain't you?
Man, look, I gotta make a video, man. I ain't made a video in a while.
It's hard to be consistent with, I swear.
Right.
Yeah. I'm gonna tag them down below.
You got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.